why don't I stand here? Why am I not here? Isn't that the way it's supposed to go?
What the heck?
It's late night Barry. Late night Barry. Late night Barry.
Not late night Barry.
Late night Barry. Get over it.
Exactly.
I'll ask you random questions like, so, has anyone in your family ever committed some sort of felony?
How do you shoplift a gold mine? It's not even a shop. It's like mine lifting.
That's a good question. Why can't we lift shops? Probably because we don't. Well, we basically can't because it weighs too much and it would kill us. Silence! When are we having cake? At midnight? Cake at night? I'll send in reinforcements tomorrow.
Today!
Why at 4 in the morning?
Because I couldn't sleep. I was on an insomnia attack. Anyway, myself.
Oh!
I was playing with...
I've said once upon a time 18 billion times.
Jesus! What is wrong with that?
So anyways,
My
They're
goodness.
gonna die.
They're gonna die.
Doing what? Too much water. Bibbidi bobbidi floop.
I want to book for Easter. Easter. You should say I don't want any ordinary book. I want a very human book for Easter.
Okay, go.